Hi friends, today our topic is welding defect. So let's go to the presentation. So in welding defect can be identified by any of the non-destructive testing and destructive testing. In this presentation we'll be mainly looking after non-destructive testing, which includes radiography, ultrasonic, magnetic particle test and DPT and visual inspection. So mainly we'll be concentrating on RT radiography defect and its interpretation. So before going to the interpretation part, let me explain the general welding discontinuity or welding defect which is happening in the weld. There is first one is crack, lack of penetration or incomplete penetration, lack of fusion, external or crown undercut, offsite or mismatch, inadequate weld reinforcement, excess weld reinforcement, cluster porosity, slag inclusion, internal concavity or suckback, internal or root mismatch, and tungsten inclusion. So these are the main defects which comes under weld defects. So first of all, crack. What is crack? This is the pictorial diagram in which you can see the longitudinal crack, this longitudinal crack, and this is the transfer crack. So this is the image of radiography image in which you can see the transfer cracks will be like this. There are two transverse cracks and longitudinal crack will be this. So this portion is our weld portion, and this is the parent material, and this is the welding area. You can see the welding area, this is the longitudinal crack and this is the transverse crack. So this is the micro examination of transfer cracks. This is the welding area and this is the transfer cracks. You can see this is the radiography image. You can see the transverse crack, and this is the double V image in which you can see the cracks. Image will be like this in the radiography, and this previously it was in the weld, and this crack adjacent to the root. So this is the root portion. So you can see the crack is like this adjacent to the root or parent material or HAZ zone. And next coming incomplete penetration or lack of penetration. So this is the parent material, this is the parent material, and this is the welding area in which you can see this is incomplete penetration of the weld. This may be due to the uh, inadequate root gap of the joint or inadequate wedge preparation angle for which this or the welder skill. And this is the actual job. Lack of penetration or incomplete penetration will be like this. You can see this area has been welded and this weld area incomplete penetration. Throughout the weld joint it's incomplete penetration. And this is a photometric graph in which you can see the incomplete penetration, and in radiograph image it will be a dark line center of the weld. This is the weld area, so center of the weld the incomplete penetration will be coming, and the defect will be like the same. Center of the weld there will be incomplete penetration and a straight line it will be there. And incomplete fusion means penetration is okay, but here this area he is unable to fuse. We may call as sidewall fusion also. So you can see the top view in which incomplete penetration or incomplete fusion will be like this. And in radiography image, this is the parent material and this is the welding area in which incomplete fusion will be not at the center, sidewall fusion. So it is somewhat far from the center and adjacent to the welding closure area. So this is incomplete fusion. You can see this area, incomplete fusion, and more. This is the spatter defect, undercut defect. So lot of defect you can see in this weld area. And lack of sidewall fusion will be like this. And internal concavity or suckback. Matlab welding is okay, but there is a chances of suckback. This is mainly due to the overhead position of the welding, and the radiography image will be like this. Center area there will be a darker area due to the suckback or internal concavity during welding of overhead joints. You can see this is the suckback area, the radiography image. And offset or mismatch. So this is the parent material 1, this is the parent material 2. You can see there is a fit up problem is there, mismatch. For this reason there is a weld mismatch or weld offset. So in radiography image you can see one portion, this is the parent material 1, this is the parent material 2, in which you can see the welding area there is a difference in the density. So this is called mismatch or offset. You can see there is the mismatch. And porosity. Porosity is nothing but a voids entrapped during welding. So you can see this the cluster porosity, and in radiography image you can see the cluster porosity will be like this. This is the welding area. And you can see this is the porosity, a void entrapped during welding. Radiography image shows that porosity. You can clearly see the porosities in this image. And this is also one type of cluster porosity. You can see this cluster porosity. Lot of defect in this piece. Single pore, cluster pore, spatters, uneven welding being done by the welder. And linear porosity. Linear porosity is that a defect cluster porosity formed in a linear direction. You can see this is the linear porosity. This is cluster porosity, this is the cluster porosity, this is the linear porosity. Slag inclusion. Slag inclusion means a non-metallic layer included during welding. This may be due to the coating on the electrode or the filler wire, and it can be avoided by intermediate cleaning by the welder or a helper. So you can see this is the slag. Slag inclusion. You can see this slag inclusion, and it will be a non-metallic layer, so the density will be more in the radiography image. Tungsten inclusion. Tungsten inclusion. Since the tungsten inclusion will be like this, and you can see tungsten is a heavier material, it will not melt easily. So it will be like this tungsten inclusion. External or crown undercut. This is the undercut area. This may be due to the reinforcement or mm, you can see here undercut. It has been due to overcurrent. The parent material has been melted, over melted due to high current during welding. So this is the undercut. This is the radiograph image of undercut. Excess penetration. This the penetration limitation is there, but the welder had formed excess penetration. Here the excess penetration radiograph image will be like this. This is burn through. You can see the burn through. with the multiple stop and not able to control current during start or stop. You can see burn through start and stop. Thank you. With this, the basics of defect has been covered. Hope you find this presentation very useful. Thank you, Anand.